Hi folks, it's Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of BotStar, which launched on Thursday the 1st of August at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this great new release from John Gibb and Mo Mia. I'm a little bit late to the party with this one, folks, but I wanted to include a review for it because it's a really decent piece of kit. With this product, folks, you can instantly skyrocket leads and sales with revolutionary AI software that creates profitable chatbots in just 60 seconds flat. Now, I think that you've probably seen the way the wind is blowing, in that more and more people are using Facebook Messenger as a form of internet and affiliate marketing now. The main reason being that you get 80% open rates instead of 5% on email. And much better than that, you actually get, once those Facebook Messenger messages have been opened, you actually get something like 70 to 75% click-through rates, which is, that compares with about 2% on email. So it's a complete no-brainer to start using these. Marketers that are using them are making an absolute killing and are wiping the floor with people that are just relying on email. Now, I'm not saying that there's anything wrong with email marketing. It's going to continue into the future, but you have to use technologies that are hot. And at the moment, chatbot technologies and Facebook Messenger marketing is completely hot. Another thing is that there's a huge demand for other industries, other niches away from make money online to actually use AI chatbots. Yeah. So it's very easy for you to pick up this product and then be able to design chatbots for other niches like restaurants, taxi firms, whatever it is. And I'm going to show you a way with one of my bonuses that you can outsource this stuff on Fiverr and you can make a load of money by using BotStar. So if this sounds like it's something that's of interest, then listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the 5 custom bonuses that I've put together if you decide to pick up BotStar from the link immediately underneath this review video. There are 5 of them. You can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here at any time before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will expire. I wouldn't want that to happen, folks, because as usual they are custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of BotStar, because remember, you can always come back to this page and back to this YouTube video when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are a bit special. So what actually is BotStar? Well, as I said, it's a way to instantly skyrocket leads and sales with a revolutionary AI software that creates profitable chatbots in just 60 seconds flats. You can see how this pulled in over 918 targeted buyers in under 24 hours. No tech skills or experience required. Here's John Gibb, and you should watch the sales video here on this page.
Hey, in the next few seconds, I'm going to show you how I was able to pull 918 targeted buyer leads, get as much as 80% open rates on my marketing messages, and instantly get 150% more engagement by utilizing next level artificial intelligence and chat automations.
Okay, folks, so you should definitely watch that. So what is this product in a nutshell? Well, it's an automated multi-purpose platform. You can create profitable chatbots in any niche for your Facebook pages and your websites in just 60 seconds flat. We'll have a look at the demo video over on my bonus page in a moment. It's the world's easiest chatbot platform. It makes it drag and drop simple, no coding or design skills required. Complete all-in-one automation, all the way from answering questions, engaging prospects, nurturing leads to closing sales for you 24/7 without you even being online. Blow your competitors out of the water, instantly get 154% more engagement, 400% lead growth, and bypass weeks of work. This really is the future, folks. Mass broadcasts, build unlimited leads and send marketing messages, get up to 80% open rates. Pretty much everyone that's doing this is getting open rates in that sort of ballpark. Build them in 60 seconds. Commercial license is included, as I said, on the front end, so you can actually resell these for clients, and this will be, one of the main ways to monetize this product. And there's 50 ready-made templates for you in dozens of the hottest niches. So, pretty much every niche you can think of, there's an app for you here that's taken care of. Also, just to flag up this discount code, folks, at the moment the front end price for BotStar is $49. You can actually use this coupon code 2OFF to get it for $47, so don't forget to actually use that when you come to pick this up. So let's head over and have a look at my custom bonuses. So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this bonus page, and this video that I'm recording now will be in here. These are the points that we've just gone through about what BotStar is all about. And now, most important of all, you should watch this 9-minute complete walkthrough video, which will actually show you in real time one of these chatbots being created in 60 seconds. So let's just have a quick look.
Hey, in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can have your very own real-time, super engaging, interactive chatbot in any niche possible in under 60 seconds flat. Now, imagine if you could replace customer support agents, sales.
All right, folks, so do watch this. This one is a must watch. 9 minutes. This will tell you everything you need to know in detail about the product and the members area. So these are the custom bonuses that I'm going to throw in if you pick this up from my link. Firstly, I did say that I would throw in this masterclass on Fiverr to show you how you can monetize BotStar. Now, this is the ultimate 3-hour masterclass in Fiverr. Lots of people just gloss over the surface. Fiverr is quite complicated, but once you get your head around this outsourcing platform, you can easily make money, not just from BotStar, but in lots of other ways as well. But the key to it is setting your gigs up so that they rank in the top spot and that you get lots of orders for the products. Now, BotStar is a product that's a premium product. You'll be able to charge a nice wedge of money for clients to do this, and after watching this masterclass, you will know exactly how to go about making money through Fiverr. Secondly, just a chatbot revolution guide. For those of you who prefer written content, just want to give you this guide to why chatbots are so important. You could use this, of course, as the basis, or one of the bases of starting a web agency to offer different services to local clients. This is like a 1.5-hour masterclass on how to set up and run a web agency. Loads of affiliate and internet marketers do this as a sideline. It's a very lucrative business because corporate clients are used to paying 4-figure amounts for services. So do take this serious, folks. There's a lot of money to be made in that niche. LinkedIn free traffic masterclass. Another much overlooked area of getting free traffic is LinkedIn. So I'm going to include this masterclass, a 2019 masterclass on how to monetize LinkedIn. And finally, again, one of the topics along with chatbots was really hot this year is selling products. It has been probably for 2 or 3 years now, using webinars. So I'm going to throw in this how to sell using webinars masterclass. If you're not quite at that stage in your business yet where you're going to start using webinars, maybe something that you'll want to use in the future, well, this masterclass will whet your appetite certainly for doing that. So they are my 5 custom bonuses, which, as you can see, add quite a bit onto the front end. We will, by the way, also have a look at the sales funnel with the various upsells, although I don't have full details on what's contained within them. There's some testimonials and all the usual stuff that you would expect on the sales page, folks. This is, again, the same review video that is over on my bonus page, where you can see a bot being created in less than a minute. So all the usual stuff. I mean, I'll let you read through the sales page, folks, but you can see that the engagement rates are through the roof with this product. That's why Facebook Messenger and Messenger bots are so huge this year. This is just some example of some of the chatbots. If you want to have a look, you can just click on the button there and these will run for you. There's a dentist one there. This is how you do it. set it up in 4 easy steps. Again, you'll see this on the demo video, but you just select from one of the 50 premium done for you templates. You drag and drop, you customize it, and then you click publish, and it is really as simple as that, folks. It's completely newbie friendly, this. Mind-blowing chatbots that do all the work for you. Again, it's a lengthy sales page, folks. Overly long in my opinion, but I like short sales pages, so I'm in the minority of opinion there, by the way, so do enjoy reading through it all. You can never have too much information, I guess. As I said, the key to this is you get 50 premium templates that come with it. Don't forget to use that 2 off coupon just to get your $2 off of that price there. Just looking to see if there's any vendors bonuses included with this. Yes, there is. Well, there's the commercial license, which we already knew. You're also getting BotStar WordPress plugin. So that is worth $47. Facebook fan page domination, and that is worth $37. So they are 2 bonuses that are being thrown in. And that is pretty much that, folks. Let's just have a quick look at the funnel, although, as I said, I don't have details of what the products are. So your front end, you know, is going to cost you $47 with that discount coupon. The first upsell is BotStar Deluxe, which costs $67. You're going to have a look at the sales page for the additional features, folks, as I don't have them here. Then there's a BotStar Platinum version, which is also $67, and then there's BotStar Training Bootcamp, which is well priced at $97 for a boot camp with hands-on experience. I would say that is very good value. As I said, for these other 2 upsells, you're going to have a look at the sales page when they come up and decide whether the additional features are worth it for you. So that is pretty much that, folks. As I said, I'm a little bit late to the party with this one, but I wanted to include it because chatbots are so hot right now. If you want to pick this up from my link, just click any of these green buttons here, and that will take you through to the JV Zoo receipt area. Sorry, first, of course, you'll go through to the sales page, click on the Buy Now button. Remember to enter your 2 off coupon code to get those $2 discount. And then click on the green button to access your copy of BotStar, and then click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that, folks, is all there is to that. I'm going to give this 4.5 out of 5 because it's a hot product. It's a great product. It's backed by a great team that give great support. And so you can rest confident that this is going to work for years to come. So that is it, folks. Thanks very much for watching and listening, as usual, to this review video. This has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of BotStar.